Now for this part of the multiple choice, you're looking for the noun that agrees with the participle in case, number, and gender. Dubitans is nominative singular, so I'm looking for which one of these is nominative and singular. The only one that's nominative singular is ego. Populum is accusative, vos is plural, and poci is also plural. Dubitantis, this is genitive singular, so I'm looking for which one of these could possibly be genitive singular. The only answer is B, mengistri. Finitimus is either dative or appellative plural, same with filiabus, and patri is dative singular. Dubitanti, I'm looking for something that could be either dative or ablative, and that could be servo. This also could be puella, but I think they wanted a line over here, but the correct answer is servo. Dubitantem, this is accusative singular. The only accusative singular here is filiam. Ducum, poetarum, and nostrum are all genitive plurals. Dubitante, this is ablative singular, and the only one here that can be ablative singular is voce. Don't get confused with ordo. It's ordo ordinus. That's nominative. Dubitantes could either be nominative or accusative plural. Miles is nominative singular from miles militis, so it can only be Barbara. Memoria is feminine, and civitatis is also nominative singular. Dubitantia, this is neuter, nominative or accusative plural, and the only one here that's neuter is corda. Dubitantium is genitive plural, and the only one here that's genitive plural is equorum. Nuntium is accusative because it's from nuntius aum. Dubitantibus, this is just virus, it's dative or ablative plural. Dubitantes, again it could be either nominative or accusative plural, and that would be discipulos. Choose the correct form, so nominative plural, and it's B, moentia, and be careful here because this is neuter nominative plural. Ablative singular of adans adantis, and this one's tricky. It could be either A or C, but I think they're looking for A here because that one can only be ablative singular. Adante could be both ablative and dative. The dative plural of ducens, ducentis, and dative plural would be C, ducentibus. Genitive singular is just amantis. Accusative singular, looking for the EM, poten. Now, while pugnans, you're looking for pugnans. This is present active. It's while fighting, because it's nominative. This is a tough one. About to fight would be future. By fighting would be ablative. After fighting would be something like an ablative absolute. You're looking for copta here, the city having been captured, or just the captured city. Remember, having captured would be active. Copta is passive, so it's captured. The city captured. Ambulantes, again, this is just walking. The andantis is always ing. Gladius strictus, swords having been drawn, ablative absolute. Duo pueri pugnantes, this is again fighting. Ans antis is always ing. Ablative absolute, Romanus tarde procentibus. So with the Romans advancing slowly, and this is an ablative absolute for present active, so it translates a little differently. But notice since it's present active, you have an ing there. And again, we're doing laborantes, and it's the ens entis, we're looking for ing, and that's D, working. Remonsurus s, future active participle plus the form of soon is a future, will remain. This is affecti, is the fourth principal part, so it's a perfect passive participle, and it's be, having been inflicted. And we're looking at rognontium, and again this is present active, ing, see asking. Oppressi, this is from the fourth principal part, so it's perfect passive, the men surprised, which is the same as the men having been surprised. And now we're looking at conturi erant. Again, it's a future active participle plus a form assume. And so it's a was about to hasten. Again, the about to or going to.